Hello, and welcome to another update video about Filecoin. Filecoin is likely still in this ABC corrective rally that we've been talking about in previous videos. Talked about it here before, I think last time in the live stream that we did, the public live stream. But the idea is still that the initial rally here from the December 22 low was an A wave. We had a B wave pullback, which was very deep. And then, as you can see, a very ugly 5-wave move to the upside, which is likely an ending diagonal in wave C of A. We have with that basically a 3-wave move. Yes, this here is a 5-wave move, which you might consider bullish, but is part of a larger 3-wave move. However, because we're still in the bullish market, I give the bulls a chance, and I'm tracking the pullback currently as corrective, but below $3.34 support, I haven't got anything bullish left on this chart. Also because we're in a bullish market, I'm leaning towards this scenario in which from here a C-wave rally could begin, which would be a 5-wave move into the area probably around $23 to $40. Generally, if you're familiar with Elliott wave, it's typically, if we see a 3-wave rally, it's not bullish. However, if we consider the context that this was a 5-wave move down, which could be wave 1 in a downtrend, then this was very weak for a wave 2. So I would prefer a stronger wave 2 corrective rally. We already have the initial A wave. This would be a B wave pullback, and then a C wave up. The thing is, if the A wave is in 3 waves, sometimes a B wave can be very, very deep. That's not really predictable. I would prefer it stays above 334. The real invalidation point, however, is down there at 235, which is the December 22 low. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, then we can see here that the move down from the March 24 high is tracked as an ABC structure, and the C wave would be a 5-wave move, and we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, maybe already complete, and the 5th wave to the downside could unfold next. It would look best with one more low. Here we have an Elliott wave triangle. These tend to break to the opposite side of the E wave. However, as I mentioned many times before, that these triangles, they've been very, very unreliable, especially in the current cycle. So it's very much possible that we're actually going the other way, directly to the upside, but there is no clear setup for it. The invalidation point for the triangle would be a move to the upside above 678. That would take out the A wave high and would invalidate the immediate downside in an Elliott wave triangle. Confirmation that we're heading down in wave 5 would be a break below the B wave low of the triangle at 521, followed by a break below the 3rd wave low at $5.01, and then the next low should be reached at $4.37. This is the next support level. Then we have 334, but I would prefer it doesn't go below 437. And to maintain an overall, let's say, bullish perspective, at least medium term, I really wouldn't want the price to go below 437 at not more than just one more low. I think that's important. If we then make another low and then turn around, the key level that needs to break to the upside to suggest that a low is in is this swing high. It's the end of the Elliott wave triangle. It's where the wave 4 topped. And that's the E wave top, the end of the wave 4, basically at $6.03. So I would highlight that now in green as potentially a breakout point to the upside. That's key. Then in the next stage, we obviously need to attack the wave 2 high at $9.30 and so on, but that's far away from where we are now. Firstly, we need to see if the market can turn around here. There is no low until we get a first 5-wave pattern to the upside, followed by a 3-wave pullback. Well, we haven't got that at this stage. The moment is just a sideways consolidation, which ideally, I slightly prefer another low, not because I definitely want it, but it just looks like the most probable pathway. Sure, alternatively, the low could be in, then it would only be able to work out as some kind of a diagonal pattern if it turns around from here. And therefore, we've got the first line that needs to break the green line at $6.03, but better like the 680 level here, this A wave high, because that would invalidate the triangle as it is there on the chart. Yeah, that's my update about Filecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.